Winter's here, the snow is falling on our car as we drive for miles to that little town called home. Gentle hand.
Yo, what's up guys? This is KarlDaGreat of Amazing Wizard Studios. Welcome to the Christmas 2025 special. This is the unboxing and test of the BOYA BOYALink 2 lavalier mic. Right now you're seeing the front of the box. Now this is the back of the box. This is one side of the box and it says over here it's compatible with both iPhones and iPads. It's time to open the box and we start by pulling out a flap. There are two boxes in the package and this first box contains a charging case. Opening this case reveals the two microphones themselves as well as two microphone filters, the receiver, a lightning adapter, and a 3.5mm auxiliary audio adapter. It's time to get to the second box. Opening this box reveals a travel pouch, a USB-C charging cable, the safety guidelines, and a quick start guide, as well as a warranty card. Alright, with all of this out of the way, it's time to test the mic. To change the adapters on the receiver, pull the blue switch and pull the adapter out. Hey guys, this is KarlDaGreat here. Alright, let's do this. Can you hear me guys? This is the first scenario with the iPhone microphone. In this case, you didn't hear me as well once I walked away. Hey guys, this is KarlDaGreat here. What are we gonna do today? This is gonna be great. We did it. Yeah. Now here's the same scenario with the BOYALink 2. In this case, you're able to hear me better. You're still able to hear me as well even though I was walking away. It's good enough that you could even hear me whispering into the mic. Hello guys, I am walking outside here right now. Hope you guys can hear me. It could be hard, but I hope you guys could still hear me. Yeah, you can still hear me. In this scenario in which I walked outside a store by a parking lot, there was a lot of background noise picked up by the iPhone mic. A good amount of it from cars. Yep, I'm still outside. Still walking around. I think you guys could hear me better. Yeah. In the same scenario with the BOYALink 2, there's still some background noise, but it's way less, which is good. Yep, I'm just laying down in bed now. I have the fan on. So hopefully, yeah, it's a good time to relax. For this last scenario, an electric fan is used to replicate wind, and once again, there was a lot of background noise recorded by the iPhone mic. I hope you can still hear me. Right now I'm still relaxing. Here's the same scenario with the BOYALink 2. Once again, there was still some background noise, but it's much less. Alright, this was the unboxing and test of the BOYA BOYALink 2 lavalier mic. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and comment future content. Also, don't forget to follow Amazing Wizard Studios social media. Make sure you hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we post new videos to start streaming. This is KarlDaGreat of Amazing Wizard Studios saying out. Peace. Merry Christmas, everyone. Bye now.
All I wanted was